So our next topic is list tag in HTML. So what is this list tag in HTML? So list tag, list tag in HTML. So here HTML and HTML5 supports list tag. It is a paired tag. It is a paired tag. The main objective of list tag is the main objective, the main objective, the main objective of list tag is to display the information in list format. It is used to create to create it is used to create navigation navigation bars and sidebars also. So navigation bars and sidebars we create with the help of list tag. So there are two types. Another thing is there are there are two types of list tag in HTML and HTML5. In HTML and HTML5. So that is the first one we have is OL OL, that is called ordered list, and the other one we have is UL. This is called unordered list. Unordered list. So now one by one, let's deal with each kind of list. The first one is we are going to deal with the unordered list in HTML. So what is this unordered list and what is the motive of this unordered list? Okay. So here I will not be typing. Let's check it practically for a better understanding. Let me open my VS Code and design a let me copy this whole thing for my reference, for your reference also. Let me copy all these things and paste after this example example 1, and after this I am pasting my code. So now list tag, the first one is unordered list. So now let's check what is unordered list practically. So here my title is unordered list in unordered list in HTML. So now inside my body tag, I am going to write here HR first to give a line, and after that at the center tag, I am providing uh, H1 again, H1 inside the center tag. I am writing H1 here. Now I think it is more clear for you. So H1, inside this H1 I am giving this TT. After that I am writing welcome to IT services. Welcome to IT services. Welcome to IT services. After that, here once again I am giving this HR. I am giving here a BR. Just BR is used to give one line space, again an HR here. I'm creating here uh, an unordered list UL, and inside UL I am creating here LI. In this LI I am writing full stack, full stack, full stack Python development, full stack Python development, full stack Python development. After that, another LI I'm creating here. This UL is called, okay, let me remove this whole LI first and explain you from the beginning what I'm doing here. So here, this UL is my unordered list. It represents me unordered list. And after that, this li represents, this li represents, this li represents my list items. So the first list item is full stack Python development. Another list item I am putting here is full stack Java development, full stack Java development. After that, another li I am putting here as Angular developer, Angular development. Another li I am putting as React.js development. Another li I am bringing as testing teams, testing with Selenium, testing only keep. So now let's run this code here and see how our output appears. So now if I run this code, we can see here, welcome to IT services. So full stack Python development, full stack Java development, full Angular development, React.js development, and testing. Okay, guys. So these are called the unordered list elements. And what is this unordered list? How you can recognize that this is an unordered list? Always remember this. There is a dot symbols coming here. This identity of this unordered list. Okay, guys. So in in unordered list, this UL is the unordered list tag, and these LIs are the list elements. Okay, guys, I hope this one is clear with you all. So now let's go to, and let me copy all these things and paste in our notepad for the reference purpose. So the first we covered is unordered list. So here example one is, okay, guys. So I hope this unordered list is clear. After that, the another example we have is ordered list. So now let's check what is this ordered list with the help of an example. So here once again I am going to give here an HR, and after that an HR in the center tag I am going to give H1 here. So again in this H1 TT I am giving, and I am writing welcome to IT services. Then after that, another HR. After this, I am taking another HR to just give a line here, and I am giving BR, again one HR. Here I am creating an ordered list OL. So remember this, guys, unordered list is represented with UL and ordered list is represented with OL. So here LI, again the same LI is used here to represent the list elements. So the first list element I have is full stack developer, full stack, full stack, full stack developer. Next LI we have is front end developer, front end developer. Another LI we have is JavaScript developer, JavaScript developer, JavaScript developer. Another LI we have is Angular developer, Angular developer, Angular developer, Angular developer. Another LI we have is React.js developer, React.js developer. So now let's run this code and check our output. So if I run this code, so my output will be like this here. Full stack developer, front end developer, JavaScript developer, Angular developer, and React.js developer. So now if you can observe here that here numbering is coming 1, 2, 3, 4. If you remember that in our unordered list example, we have seen this numbering is not coming. Instead of this numbering, dots are coming. So unordered list, the elements of unordered list is represented with the dot, and the elements of ordered list are have numbering with them 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay guys, so I hope this unordered list and ordered list are clear. So now let's take another example of this ordered list. Let me copy this thing and let's make a better example of this ordered list. Example 2 for ordered list. So this time let's make better than that. So HR I am keeping here. Then center tag. In the center tag I am taking H1. In this H1 TT, welcome welcome to IT services. Then here once again I am taking one HR. Then again one BR I am taking here just to give one line space, and HR also. Here I am creating OL. OL represents ordered list. So the list element I have is here LI. Okay guys. So here I am taking full stack, full stack full stack Python development. Full stack Python development. Full stack Python I am taking only. Okay. In this full stack Python, this li in this list element, I am creating here an unordered list. Okay, guys. Remember this. This example combines both the things. ordered list as well as unordered list also. Ordered list have this full stack and all things, and there in the unordered list, its subcategories will be coming. So now let's put here first li. First, this element belongs to unordered list. So first list element of unordered list is I am writing here core Python. Here once again I am putting li advanced Python, advanced Python. Again another li I am taking. Here I am saying front end technologies, front end technologies. Then here I am saying front end technologies, and after that I can say here frameworks, framework building logics on framework, building logics on frameworks, frameworks, and frameworks are and frameworks. Then we have another li as projects with projects, live projects. Then after that, after this li, I am creating another list element, and here I am writing full stack, stack Java development, full stack Java development. Then here again, once again, I am creating an UL, and this UL have li as core Java, core Java, advanced Java, front end, and we will have Spring Boot, Spring Boot with projects, with Spring Boot with live projects. After this, another li I am opening here as ul first. Okay, fine. Ul frameworks. I am writing frameworks. Okay, not here. Let me write with li only. Li. Here I am writing frameworks. Here I am giving li as Angular. Another li I am giving as Django. Another li I'm giving as React.js. Another li I'm giving as Flask. So now this is the combination of ordered list and unordered list. So now let's check how our output looks. So let me run this code. So our output is something like this. So now full stack, the first is my ordered list. So one represents to ordered list. The first ordered list the is full stack Python, and the elements of the unordered list are core Python, advanced Python, front-end technology, building logics and framework, live projects. The second one is full stack Java development. Here, the first element of the unordered list is core Java, advanced Java, front end, And again, we have Spring Boot with live projects. Then the third ordered list element is frameworks, and the the first unordered list element is Angular, Django, React.js, and Flask. Okay, guys. So this is the combination. This was the combination of unordered list and ordered list. So let me copy whole this code once for your reference, and let me paste in example 2 here. Okay, guys. So I hope this thing is clear. So now let's move to the next topic. The next topic we have is anchor tags. So what is this anchor tag and how we can work with the anchor tags? So our next topic we have is working with anchor tags. Working with anchor tags. Anchor tags. So what is this anchor tag and why this anchor tag is used? So HTML, 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 and HTML5, HTML5 supports anchor tag, supports anchor tag, anchor tag. The main objective of anchor anchor tag is to provide navigation from one page to another page, from one page to another page. Okay, guys. So the other functionality of anchor tag is to is to navigate navigate from one application to another application, also one application to another application, also to another application also. So guys, what is this one up navigation from one application to another application? This is nothing but nowadays we are seeing that suppose we are right now using Flipkart. So in this Flipkart, we have that login with Gmail, login with Facebook. These options are coming. So once we click on that, the Gmail sites open or the Facebook sites open. So that is the navigation from one application to another application. So now let's check this anchor tag with the help of an example. So now let's go to our VS Code here. So here once again I am giving here HR, and here in the center I am writing H1 TT H1 TT in, and between these here I am writing welcome to job Mela. Welcome to job mail I am writing here, and here I am giving HR BR to just give one line space and again HR. After that in the center I am writing here to open an anchor tag we have to use A here. The symbol is A. Okay guys, so let me write it here. The anchor tag is represented as A or a. Okay guys, so let me open the VS Code here. Here I am writing http www.linkedin.com, and here I am providing LinkedIn, LinkedIn, LinkedIn. After that, another anchor tag I am opening here. I am writing http www dot. I am writing indeed dot com, indeed.com, and here I am writing indeed. Here I am another anchor tag, and here I am writing http and www dot http. I forget double slash here, so let me put here double slash http forward slash http again forward slash then www dot, here I'm writing naukri.com, naukri, KRI, naukri. Here once again http, and here I am writing www dot dice.com, dice.com, and here I am writing dice, and here I am putting this one. So now let's run our code and check how our output appears. So now if I run this code, guys, so my output is something like this: LinkedIn, Indeed, Naukri, and Dice. So let me change the color of the text here. So I hope this is visible here, guys. Is this one is visible to you all? LinkedIn, if I Indeed, Naukri, and Dice. Now, if I click on this LinkedIn, it is navigating me to the LinkedIn website. This is the functionality of anchor tag, changing one, navigating us from one web page to another web page, or we can say that one application to another application also. So here, this is my output. And once now, if I click on Indeed, it will lead me to the Indeed website. Guys, getting? So now, if I click on this naukri.com, it is leading me to the naukri.com. Okay, guys. So once again, let's check the dice output also. So now, if I click on this dice, it is navigating me to the dice.com. Okay, guys, getting? I hope this thing is clear with all, that how this is the functionality of anchor tags. Okay guys, this is our output. So let me copy all these things for a reference purpose. Example 1, example 1, So next example, let's take our next example. That is example 2. Example 2. And here I am creating test1.html. A new file here I am creating here. So I am creating here test1.html. And here let me bring our boilerplate once again. Here I am writing, here I am writing, okay. So once again, in the title, I am writing HTML and HTML5 sessions, HTML5 session. Inside the body tag, I am opening HR here. Again, in the center tag, I am giving TT. Welcome to, welcome to, welcome, welcome to try a right solutions. Try a right solutions. Okay, guys. So here I am giving another HR, one line space BR. Again, one HR I am giving here. And here I am right now giving href of home tag, href of home tag. So here once again I am opening center tag and here I am giving anchor tag A. href I am writing home.html, home.html. Let's create here home.html first. Home.html. Okay guys, getting? So now home.html is created here and test1.html. So to link home.html with my test1.html, there is two methods. The first one is directly our home.html is inside the same folder as test1.html. So directly I can put here home.html, home.html. The suggestions are also coming. So home.html. Either this way I can follow or I can follow dot slash. Here also all suggestions are coming. What are the files available with me? So I want home.html for now. So I will be picking home.html. So after that I'm writing home page, home page, home page. Okay, guys. So here I am giving another anchor tag, and here I am writing. Let me create here another. I think about page. Let's create about page. About dot html. So once again, my about page is inside in the same folder as test1.html. So once again, I have two methods to attach or to link my about.html to test1.html. That is directly I can put about.html. The suggestions are also coming. Or what else I can do is I can give a dot slash. Here also suggestions are coming for about.html. Here I am writing about us. Okay. After that, another anchor tag I am opening and let's create services.html. Services, services.html. So now to link this services page, we have another two options. Either I can put services.html, services.html like this, or I can put as dot slash services.html. Here I am writing services. After that, I am let's create contact page, contact.html. So here test1.html to link my contact page with test1.html. we have another two method, that is contact.html. I can directly put here, or I can write it as dot slash contact.html, and here I am writing contact us, contact us. Guys, I think this you are getting all these things. So contact us. So now one by one, let's write in our contact page just an introduction home page here, and here in the body part, I am at the center. I am writing H1 TT, welcome to, welcome to try a write, welcome to try a write. Okay, guys. So about page, let's put an introduction data about the about page here in the center. H1 I am taking in the H1 TT. I am writing as the new era of learning, the new era of learning, the new era of learning. Contact page. In the contact page, okay, guys, it's our home page. So let me cut all these things. And where is my home.html? Here is my home.html. So here I will be putting the welcome to try a write contact.html. Here at the center I am putting as h1 tt. I am writing as I am contact page. I am contact page and services. Let me put this services page here. So in this services page, I will be copying the code of this HR and all, means the code of my ordered list. So now if I put all these things services. Okay guys, so now let's run this code and check whether we are navigating to each page or not. So for that, first let me write some styling here. So here I am giving style body. Inside the body tag, I'm writing background color is gray. Background color I am picking as gray. Color of the text I am keeping as wheat. After that, here I am giving text align to center. Let me copy this whole style things and paste it to the other pages also. So about.html, and here once again I am keeping this thing contact.html. In the head tag I am keeping the style things, and services.html should also have styling tags. So here also I am keeping. Then home.html also have these things. So here also test1.html is created now. Now let's run the code and check how our output appears and how it is going to navigate us to different pages. So the first one is about page. So this about page. So about page contact us services, and about homepage about us services and contact us. So every page must have a gap. So for to provide that gap, I'm giving here a pipe symbol. This symbol is called pipe symbol. So now if I run this code, if we see here, homepage, about us, services, and contact us. So now if I click on this homepage, it is navigating me to the welcome to TryRite. Okay guys, getting this is my homepage. Now here, if I once again just run this code, let's run this code once again. So now let's go to about us. So now about us, the new era of learning. So now if I run this code once again here, so we can see that services. So now if I click on this, so whole our services are coming. Full stack Python, core Python, advanced Python, and all things are coming here. So now if I run this code once again, contact us. So I'm writing I am contact page. Okay guys, so in this way we can navigate from one page to another page. Guys, getting? So I hope this thing is clear. Now we will be working with image tag. How we can work with image tag. So our next topic is working with image tag. So now let me share this notepad with you. Let me copy this whole example. So this one is my test.html. So now I am copying it and test1.html I am writing here. Example 2, test1.html, and here I am pasting test1.html. After that, I am putting home.html. So home.html have the contents of home.html. Home.html. Then we have about us. So about us page have the content of, let me copy the things here. So about us, then we have contact us, we have the contact us, then contact us, let me copy contact us here. So contact us, then we have services.html, services.html. So now services.html. So here services.html. So let me copy the code once again, and here services.html. So now our next topic is, the next topic we have is working with image tag. Working with image tag in HTML. In HTML. So here image tag. So HTML and HTML5 supports image tags. So HTML and HTML5 supports HTML and HTML5 supports image tag. So HTML and HTML5 supports image tag. It is unpaired tag. It is an unpaired tag. It is an unpaired tag. The main objective, the main objective, the main objective of image tag is to put images on the web page. So this is the image tag. So image tag is created at img tag and src. This indicates the location where our image is located. After that, here in the src section we have to provide the path of our image where the image is located. And here alt represents alternative. This alt represents alternative. It is used when if suppose on the same path, if image is not found, then alternatively what you want to display on the screen. So here after that height I am giving height of the image is kept here and width of the image is kept here also. Okay guys, so this one is image tag. So if you observe one thing carefully, that our this anchor tag always have a closing pair, but image tag don't have any closing pair. So that's why it is called unpaired tag. Okay guys, so let's check it practically once again. So now let's check practically. So before going to put image tag, let's download few images from the net. Okay, so let's download few images from the net. Here, let's search here once again. Suppose I'm keeping here Python, and here I'm putting an image for Python. I'm keeping this image. Okay, so let me download this here. So Python, I'm keeping here save. Let's create a folder here, and the name of the folder I'm giving as image, and in this folder I'm keeping Python. Okay, so here save Python. Then I am downloading Angular. Here, let's download this image. Let's download this image Angular. Then let's download Django. So here, let's put this image as Django image. Django, Django. Let's put React also. React. So let's put React. So now let's put one by one every image in our, let's attach every image to our HTML page one by one. So here, let me write here image tag, image tag dot HTML. So here I am bringing my boilerplate, and the title is image tag. So title is image tag. So after that, I am once again giving in HR. In the center tag, I am writing H1, I am writing welcome to TT, H1 TT, I am writing welcome to, welcome to try a right, try a right app store. After that, I am putting here an HR, then BR, then once again HR. Here I am giving first AIMG source and let me bring my images here. So my right now, if you observe, my image folder is on my desktop. So let me search where the image folder is. So if you can see here, somewhere the image folder will be there on my desktop. So here my image folder is. So let me bring this folder to my internship front end folder where my all files are here. So the first thing, how we inside this image folder, I have the images, but how I can put all these images into my HTML page. So for that purpose, if my image folder is available inside my main folder, then for that purpose, I have to search like this single dot. Suppose I am writing Angular dot, the suggestions are not coming here. So whenever your image folder is present inside your main folder itself, then put a dot and a slash. After that, whatever the folder name you have, the suggestion will come. Press enter, and whatever the image you want to pick, you can pick from here. So first, I want to pick this one. Here, I am giving no image as alternative. Height I am giving as height I am giving as 200, and width I am giving as also 200 only. After that, once again, first let's check how our output appears here. So let me give the styling here. So body background color is gray, then color is equals to I am giving as width, text align I am giving as center. And for now, just for a look, let's check how it appears on the screen. So in this way, my Python image is appearing. Now I want another images also. So now let's put another images one by one. So image tag once again, I'm opening. And suppose this time, let's give a wrong path and check what is the functionality of this alt. So now here I'm simply putting angular dot js. So now no image is found, no image is found, no image is found. Suppose here I am spelling mistake I am giving, and now if I run this code here, no images found is coming. So whenever there is any path problem, or the path is not, or your file cannot reach out to the exact path, in those situations that ALT works. So whatever the text you are providing with that ALT, it will be displayed on the screen if the image is not found. So now let's put here the Angular image here. So dot slash. Okay, what happen if I don't give dot, and let's check here angular dot jpg. Now let's check what happens if I don't provide this dot and slash. So still it is the path problem only because it cannot find the exact location. Okay guys, so now to reach out to the exact location, we have to give dot slash and we have to go inside our folder, image folder and Angular. So now if I run this code, so our image will be appearing perfectly. Okay guys, we have to give our height and width to this image. So now let's give height and width to the image. Height is equals to 200 and width is equals to 200. Okay guys, so now if you see the output, that Angular is image is perfectly appearing on the screen. So now let's put another image here. So my another image is dot slash inside my image folder. I am going to pick Django.jpg, and in the edit part I am writing no image. Height I am giving as 200, width I am giving as 200. Okay guys, so next image I am putting as dot slash inside my image folder. I am searching for react.png. In this react.png, alt I am giving as no image, and the height of the image I am giving as 200, width of the image I am giving as 200. So now let's check our whole output how it appears. So our output is something like this. Okay, guys, I hope this thing is clear. So now what will happen if I am going to repeat the whole code once again? So now suppose from here to here once again I am putting images. So let me copy this. After this HR, I am putting these things again. So now if I see here this output, it will be something like this. It is like a image gallery. So now as many as I paste here, that many rows will be created. So that many rows will be created. Okay guys. So I hope this thing is clear with you all. Now a very important example. Let me copy this code once again. Let me copy this code once for your reference. A very important example we are going to discuss here. After this, let me paste with in my notepad staying example 1, sample 1, and let's begin our example 2. So to work with example 2, let's download few images once again here. So here I am going to download here LinkedIn, LinkedIn image first. So I think this image is fine. Okay, no, this image is more fine. Okay, so let me copy this image, download this image here inside my desktop. Again, images folder is there. Let me search with the image folder. Here, image is there. So here I'm putting LinkedIn, and save. After LinkedIn, let me download uh, Naukri.com, Naukri, Naukri.com. So here I am writing Naukri. Then let's download Indeed, Indeed, Indeed. So here I am writing inside this image folder we have Indeed. and we have dice. So here I'm putting dice. So here my idea is I want that let me here give HR, and in the center I am writing TT. Welcome to welcome to try a write try a write IT services. IT services. After that, another HR I am giving, here BR I am giving, and in the center, I am writing an href first, and to link that image I am giving here. First, I am going inside my image folder, and here first image I am picking as LinkedIn. Okay, so here I am giving once again img href. Here I am providing as http LinkedIn www.linkedin.com, and inside my image source I am providing dot slash. Inside my image folder there is linkedin.png, and here I am writing as LinkedIn. Here I am writing as LinkedIn. So here I am writing as LinkedIn. Okay, so after that, let me give height. Height is equals to 200. 200 will be bigger. 50 will be fine. So width I am giving as 50, and NBSP I am writing here, and NBSP and NBSP, NBSP to give a space here. Okay, guys. So once again, and NBSP. So now let's check how our output appears here. So now if I see here that indeed is coming here. Okay, okay. By mistake, I put indeed image here. Let me put here LinkedIn image. Dot slash inside my image folder. I have LinkedIn. So now if I run this, let's check our output. So in LinkedIn logo is coming here. Okay, guys. So after that, we have another href I am keeping here as http slash www dot indeed.com. Indeed.com. So here I am putting image, and let put the image of logo of indeed.com. So indeed.png, and here I am giving height as 50, and width also as 50. Width also as 50. Once again, and NBSP, and NBSP is used to give a space between two things. So once again, http www.naukri.com, and here I image source as dot slash. Inside my image folder, let's put Naukri logo, and the height and width let's set as height is equals to I'm giving as 50, width is equals to I am giving as 50, and once again I am giving here and NBSP and NBSP and NBSP. Here again anchor tag http colon double slash www dot dice.com dice.com. Here img I am putting as dot slash inside my image folder dice.png, and let's set the height and width of the image. Height is 50 and width is also width is also 50. Width is also I'm taking as 50. Here once again I'm putting NBSP, 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 and NBSP. Okay guys, so now let's check our output once again. So if I run this code, so here all things are coming: LinkedIn, Indeed, Naukri, and Dice. And if I click on their logo, it is now navigating me to their respective web pages. This is called how an image tag is merged with the href anchor tag. So now here, if I click on this Indeed logo, it is navigating me to the Indeed.com. If I click on this Naukri.com, so now it is navigating me to the Naukri.com. If I click on this Dice, it is navigating me to the Dice.com. Okay, guys, getting? Why this Dice.com is not coming? Because maybe somewhere spelling mistake I did with this Dice. Okay, guys, so I hope these things are clear with you all. Thank you, guys.